Hello, and thank you so much for viewing this presentation. If you're watching, you might be interested in self-publishing your book, or perhaps you print newsletters or different documents with photographs in it. This is going to be a very helpful tip for you. I am using the latest version of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word automatically compresses images so that the resolution is a lot lower than your original resolution. By default, it compresses images to a 220 resolution. If you want to print photographs, it has to be at least 300 dpi. It needs to be a resolution of 300 dpi for it to be high print quality. So in order to get Microsoft Word not to automatically compress your photos, here's what you need to do. What do I mean by compressing your photos and lowering the resolution? Basically, it will look fuzzy when you print it out on paper. So in order to avoid fuzzy images, once you print it out of Microsoft Word, this is what you do. Go to File, click Options all the way down at the bottom, click Advanced, scroll down, stop where it says Image Size and Quality. You want to make sure that this is checked. Do not compress images in this file. You can hover over it to see what that means. Checking this option provides maximum picture quality, but may result in a very large file size. If this option is unchecked, pictures will be downsampled to the number of pixels per inch specified below when they are saved. So that's what that means. You want to default resolution. We talked about resolution. By default, it will probably be 220, but you want to raise it to at least 330, which is print quality. Print quality is 300. This will help so that your images will remain crisp when you print it out. Click OK. That's all you have to do to prevent fuzzy images once you print it off from Microsoft Word. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to visit me at www.arhampton.com for more of my online classes. Again, that's www.arhampton.com. Thank you so much for watching and happy learning.